G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Honda Civic. So you can see down here the service warning. So to reset this service warning, what we need to do is come over to the center display here. We want to press the home button, press our settings button there, then we want to go into our vehicle. Then we want to scroll down till we get to maintenance info. You can click on that one. You can see that the A service and oil service is due. So we can just press reset there. It says, would you like to reset it? Go reset. And now that's been reset. So we can see our next service due is B service, oil and filter. And what you'll notice now is that the warning is now gone off the dash here. So that's been all reset now, and we're good for another couple of thousand Ks. So you can see that it's going to calculate the distance there when we start driving. So there you go guys, if this video helped you reset your oil service light or your service warning on your Honda Civic, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.